Hello.
I need this right now, Scotty.
Guys, we are playing Slender. This is Kris playing, Scott commentating. And Kris has a picture of a little kitten puppy, like, snuggling.
I need it. Where'd it go?
It's gone now. No more picture for Kris.
Puppy. I don't want to play this.
Go.
I'm so paranoid right now. We're in a completely dark room. I don't like this. Scotty.
This is Sparta. Kris is playing.
We're playing at 3:15 and
That's actually North Dakota time. It's 1:15 right now.
Oh, what? I'm so confused. Which way do I go? This way. No.
Yeah. The way you were going. Turn on Slender.
Come here.
It's usually the first thing I find. Now I'm starting to find that tree first.
The tree's over there.
No.
Do I have to grab it?
Yes, Kris.
How does he see me with no eyes? Oh, you dick! You pressed it for me.
Well,
I hate you.
Now we're off. Can you hear those Slender footsteps? He's in the forest somewhere.
I hate you.
Brouhaha.
Fuck. I'm really freaking scared.
Jeez, guys. This is an intense round of Slender. I think after this, I'm gonna pack up for the night and go to bed.
No! You're staying here with me.
Dude, if you knew what I've been through, you'd want to sleep too.
I haven't slept yet, and I'm playing Slender. You know how much that can fuck up a guy's mind? Pretty fucking bad. Have 2 days of memories wash.
You better watch the screen, buddy.
Yeah, wash into your mind.
Watch
and then
the
once you
screen.
go to sleep, all of it just comes back to you in one dream. You know how freaking horrible that is?
It's
Pretty fucking horrible. This trail takes me nowhere. This is absolutely pointless.
It's gonna take you somewhere.
Better take me somewhere. What the fuck was... Scotty, stop. You gotta look.
Okay. If there's any time you feel the absolute need to end the game, I guess you can. Only the absolute need. Just don't look at the window right there behind the computer.
I forgot about it till now.
How about that?
There he is. 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 He's right over there. I see you, Slender. I know you're here. Course is closed, asshole.
I didn't even see Slender.
I did.
I might have saw him in his face. But
These trails are absolutely useless. They're just making me scared of Slender.
oh, dude.
Oh, there you go.
Guys, if you were here, you'd know how intense this was. Next, me and Kris are gonna be playing Slender Hospice. Next set of videos. Don't turn around. Going like PewDiePie status.
Right now, I need to know if he is fucking behind me or not.
Kris, I think you're just going backwards now.
Yeah, I think I'm just going in. Fuck.
Hello, Mr. Tunnel. Look to the left and the right, try to find the note. Did you see that static on the screen?
Yeah, that's why I ran a little bit. I gotta run a full phone forward. I don't wanna deal with this shit.
Look on the left. Guys.
No tunnel. No, fuck the tunnel.
Kris does not want to be in the tunnel anymore. I understand.
Slender, why do you want to rape me so bad? What? No, what? No. Shut up, Cricket! Shut up!
Dude, stop bagging on the Cricket.
That Cricket deserves to die. He's working with Slender. Cricket is working with Slender, I'm telling you, man. Force is closed, asshole! I pissed him off, didn't I? He's right behind me!
Cricket's like, toot, he's over there. Guys, Kris is playing this, and I think he's headed towards the tanks. Oh no, Volvo!
I see you!
Volvo!
Sorry, I just sort of had a twitch.
Yes, I know. I felt that twitch.
You're next to me. Grab it, fucking grab it.
Ooh, this is intense. This is an intense part of the game. Oh man. I'm not feeling too good about this, Kris.
I have shivers down my spine.
I have shivers down everywhere.
I'm sweating, twitching.
No, you're okay. Might want to have to turn off your light. It's starting to die. Kris's light is dying. That's not a good thing. Because in this game, your light can die. If your light dies, you are screwed.
Yeah, stupid updates. Not the time for me. Fuck. That sounded horrible.
Yeah. It really did.
Not the time for me. Alright, Scotty, let's take our minds off this Slender dude.
Each side.
I'm gonna put up a beat and you're gonna freestyle, cracker.
Y'all better watch out. This big Scotty's on the mic now. We're going through the forest trying to find Slender. All we found was a piece of ender. We're walking through these trees, but all we see's is dirt and gravel in this big ass tree. Hoping for a note, but all we found is a coat hanging on a branch. It just makes me want to dance. Turn around the tree, try to find some paper. Going through the forest, trying to find a note. Don't want to piss him off, cause then he'll turn the stream static like it is right now.
Back to the beat.
Headed to the bathrooms, gonna walk it through them. If we see the chair, we gonna flip out. If the legs are down, we gonna kill ourselves. Then we gonna run and turn the laptop down.
Oh shit. Well, that was a freestyle. I don't think my mind.
Whoa, my mind's back on Slender.
Okay, come on, give me a beat. Come on. Come on. Just give me a nice little beat. We just saw the big man. He's pretty scary, but we cannot find his Harry because he has like 18 dicks all attached to his back with his dicks. Hope we don't go to the bathrooms because then they... Oh my god. Oh, sorry guys. Started to get staticky. I don't think...
I think that's enough freestyle for...
I think it is.
We gotta end this video here. So, we're gonna do, I don't know, 50 seconds of a freestyle from Scott Cannon. Let's get up to this mic, man.
I can't freestyle unless there's something going on. I can freestyle too, so.
Oh.
We're gonna have to cut the video off short, guys.
This is part 1 of Kris Plays. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'm scared as fuck. Alright, we're still playing Slender after this, okay, guy?
You guys better watch our part 2. This one's gonna be named Scott and Chrissy Freestyle Round.
Slender bitches. Alright, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you, and
have a nice night.